How to split screen on Android. Nowadays, you guys can use multiple apps on a single screen on your smartphone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily split screen on your Android device. So the first thing you want to do is open a few apps that you want to open on split screen. And once you have opened those apps, just go to your recent apps. On Samsung, you can tap on those app icon at the top, and here you will see an option for open in split screen. So tap on split screen view, and it will automatically set your app to a split screen. Now you can select a different app to open on your split screen below. So I'm just going to choose this app right here. And as you guys can see, I can readjust the size of my screen like this. If I want my music app to be bigger, I can just do this. And if I want my editing app to be bigger, I can just do this. And like this, you guys can function and you can use multiple apps at the same time. It's a very useful option if you're doing multiple things at the same time. Once you do this, if you want to go back, so let's say if I want my full screen to be my editing app, I'm just going to drag it all the way down, and here it will be my full screen. Other way that you can bring it to full screen is if you just hold on the app icon, you can drag and drop it anywhere on the screen. If you drop it in the middle, it will be a pop-up view, and if you drop it on the top or the bottom, it will be a split screen. And that's how you can easily split your screen and use multiple apps on your Android. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.